Hello, my name is Zainal, and I'll be talking about the new displacement magnification display that is now available in the Oasys 20 version of D3PLOT. Deformation magnification values can now be displayed on screen in the bottom left-hand corner. This new label has been circled in red. I'm now going to demonstrate how it looks like in D3PLOT, as well as a few customizations that can be done. This panel is under Deform, Magnify. With magnifications in all directions set to 1, nothing is shown. Now, when I click on times 50, the display shows up in the bottom left. There are also options to customize the number formatting, as well as toggle the visibility of the label available on this panel. Font size for this label can be changed using the Font Options panel. This panel is under Display Options, Fonts. By changing the font size of the footer, you can change the size of the displacement magnification text. Changing the font type, as well as the graphics text factor, will also affect this label. Thank you for watching.